Good afternoon. I want to do a quick recording to show you how to add a comment into a Word document. So I have gone to our shared drive. I happen to be in the 6th grade science lesson plans, just using this as an example. Now, first of all, you need to make sure you're opening it as a document and not a PDF. So I'm going to right click and open with Google Docs. And as we know, with everybody using the internet, it is slow. So once this gets open, there are numerous ways to add a comment. You can see it's still spinning here at the top, so we'll give it a few more seconds. And it's still going and going and going. It's like the Energizer Bunny. Alright, so there are several ways. You can click the little icon right here, open comment history. We can do insert. And there's also another way. When you highlight, a little plus sign comes up. So I'm going to show you all of those ways. So I'm just going to use this as an example. I'm going to highlight. I calculate density to identify unknown substances using the online lab. I'm going to do the plus sign that pops up and just say I'm going to add some comments here. Comment. I'm going to come down here and show you another method. I'm going to use the little comment box right up here. Add the plus sign for add a comment. Okay, add more comments. And then click the blue comment. Okay, no matter which method you use, you have to highlight some text in order to have the comment show up. That indicates where the comment is being addressed to. So another method is to highlight, go to Insert, and scroll down to Comment. 3 different ways that we can add comments. A third way to add comments, and then comment. Now, the person viewing the comments, if they want to respond to it, you can just do a reply here. Thank you for the comment, and respond. So that indicates that you've seen it. You might even see the comment and say, okay, whoops, I needed to add something to that. You can click on the 3 dots, edit your comment. You can delete the comments or send a link to the comment. So there are different ways to add and use the comment feature in Google Docs. Okay, so if you're having questions or still confused about how to add and use the comment feature, then you can stop and rewind the video for additional assistance.